Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
Bam! What you know about that? That look familiar or what?
Yep. Too much shit shoved in it. Oh, hell no.
Yep. And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? All right, so today is well overdue. And this is something I know y'all have been wanting. I've been getting this in the comments for, like, I can't even remember how long. Like, I've just been getting this in the comments back to back to back to back to back, almost on every video. So here we go. We're finally having it. We're doing the V8 Dad Part 2 video. And now I'm actually gonna get my dad in my V8 powered car. So y'all remember he rode in the 2J. That is probably my most viral video on this channel. I think that video is approaching 2 million views. So it is the most viewed video on my channel. And today we're gonna, you know, do part 2 of that because my dad comes from a V8 background, etc., etc. And then I got him in my 2J car. You know, y'all can go back and look at the video. I'll drop the link below in the video if y'all haven't seen that. But yeah, so today I'm getting him in my actual V8 power car. My dad's a huge V8 dude. Like I said, he has the Corvette. He had like old school trucks and stuff with big blocks and stuff. What's hella funny is when I took the C5 over there for him to see that for the first time, he was like, oh, take me around the corner for a ride. Let me ride in this. He really wanted to ride in the C5. And I was just like, bro, I'm not about to take you for a ride in this slow car. Like, this car made 340 horsepower. Annually fill up right here. He talking about he want to race for pink slips. Yeah. He trying to give me this car to donate to Pick and Pull.
Take me out right there. You know.
You ready?
I'm gonna take him out right now, man. I'm ready for him. I think he's scared of me, y'all.
Let's go.
You know, I'm running damn near 220 in that engine now.
220, that's it? Damn.
Yeah.
That's like not even half of what I got.
Yeah, well, you know, and you know, I got that turbo boost in there where I can get another 60.
Another 60?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's still not enough.
That ain't enough.
That's not enough. I'm positive. You're gonna need more than that.
I still gotta try. Where we gonna race to?
Wherever. I'm getting on the freeway right now.
We're gonna race from here to San Francisco and back.
Let's go.
I gotta gas up though.
Yeah, gas up. Go ahead.
It sounds like it got a big souped up engine or something. I don't know how to fit in there though.
He said he thought this was a Porsche. Nah, it's a Nissan 350Z with the LS3 Corvette engine.
Okay, I almost thought Z2. Oh, it got that LS Corvette engine.
Yeah, it's LS3.
Oh, okay, so that's what made it sound like that big 350.
Yep, it's bigger though.
It's bigger.
Yeah, it's a 350 is a 5.7. This is a 6.2.
Wow, nice though. You got it nice and modified, boy.
Thank you, I appreciate it. You on video with your Rona mask. Look, I didn't caught you before you got drunk, huh?
Yep.
Good.
So, car ugly.
The car ugly? No, this is the sauce. What are you talking about?
Where the sauce at?
Hold on, I got you.
Hey.
Hold on. Don't judge yet. Hold up.
Hey, bring it on.
What's up? How you doing?
Hey, let me ask you a question. Last week, because you do cars and stuff, right?
Yeah, I do vlogging.
So I had a couple of guys pick up some junk from you yesterday, and they saw your dad. I guess you had him on one of your videos.
Yeah.
They was, oh man, what's your name on it?
Mike.
Mike, how you doing, Mike?
Cool,
Mike,
cool.
doing, You're like, oh, that's Mike's dad. I was cracking up. I'm like, because I don't know who you are, and I was like, so when I said, let me come out and ask.
Yeah, this.
Hey, he's bigger than me.
Yeah, he was, oh man, let's go talk to him. Let's want to talk to you. We'll just meet him.
They don't know he's secretly crazy.
Yeah, oh yeah. Almost 8 years, man. I've met him. You know, he's cool, dude.
But look, as long as I don't drink the Do It fluid.
The Do It fluid.
That's what it is.
All right, man. I'm gonna head on back up in here, man. But I just had to.
Nah, it's all good.
That's all good.
It's all good,
man.
for sure. Thank you. Bam! What you know about that? That look familiar or what?
Yep. Too much shit shoved in it. Oh, hell no.
Yep. It's LS3. It's a vet motor. Big ass cam, ported heads.
Don't give me no shit. Hey, you got dog hair on you.
I know, man. That's that cat, bruh.
What cat?
I got a cat. My girl cat.
You had him under the hood. I'm finna get my ass knocked off.
I know, she got a...
Slow down. Hey, she had a mask on. Oh, hell no. I gotta build me a car. Hey, what you doing with the spider?
Oh! Yo, no,
that's why everybody came outside, heard some rumble.
Ain't none of your V8s ever been this fast.
I know the police be looking at your ass like, what?
He thought this was a Porsche. He's like, man, that's a Porsche, huh? Like,
Hell no.
nah, this ain't no Porsche.
This motherfucker rumble. How many speed tickets you got?
Ain't got nothing yet.
Oh, hell no. That's how I used to drive. Hello. Hey, let me call you back. I'm with your brother. We're in a hooped up car.
A hooped up car.
Hoopty, we speed. I'll call you back. Rita said hi.
Tell her what's up.
Hey, he said hi. All right, speed demon. I'll be at the grocery store hella quick. It's going around. Fucking sound good.
It's like cool, little simple all motor setup.
I don't see how you put the motor in the bitch.
It fit. Barely, but it's in there, right?
Hell no. Like in my days, I used to come around this corner. You got hella fat meat. This motherfucker rumbling.
Hear that cam?
Oh shit, that's him. Hello.
Somebody hit me up on my YouTube saying they knew you from back in the day, talking about how your truck was hella fast and stuff. I was like, man, that full truck was garbo.
Bullshit.
I would have ran your truck. What motor had in there?
I blew up a 390.
A 390?
Then I turned it around. I put a 360 in it. Then I blew up two 428 Cobra motors.
You said a what? 428?
Yeah, I blew both the motors up. You can see on the driver's side, the rod, I blew the mount out.
Hanging out the block?
Yeah. All the push rods was in the oil pan, the lifters.
305 30 R compound on
And
there.
the flare, the fenders, and tuck them in.
Dude, this car will handle hella good. See how fast was going around that turn?
I know, just
This
like
thing hugs.
just like I put them 295 5015 TAs on my red truck. It was like driving a big go-kart, Mike. I came across that bridge from West Street, turn off. Tires were hollering a little bit. I can run them going like 70, 80. Yeah. I see these potholes. It's hooked up over here.
Yeah, I see it.
I done came through this before.
Hug, hug. Torque,
Make you a right at
torque,
on
torque, 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 torque.
watch her door. I thought I was sick. Right there. Back up.
Yeah, this would've gapped your truck, man.
Bye.
Would've smoked your truck.
finished.
Just said it was slow, and now you're talking about it run.
It's slow. I'm putting my mask on.
You gotta make up your mind. Is it slow? Is it fast? Which one?
In between.
In between.
I want the other car.
You ain't ready for the Lexus.
I'm ready.
When I'm done with the Lexus, that's about to come out with 1100 horsepower this time.
You got the dogs barking.
Bark back at them. Ooh, you feel that grip? Feel that grip?
Make a right turn and watch out for the speed bump. That's the bump you can't stand.
Well, this car ain't as low as my Lexus, so we get up over this one easy. We got plenty of ground clearance.
No, you don't. Let's
Look,
to
go
the-
straight. Look, no scrape.
I'm shocked.
No scrape. This car's to function. This one's gonna work. We ain't out here trying to be the lowest. None of that. We out here trying to grip and dip.
Straight through the hole.
Man, you got me making illegal left turns. This
There
ain't
you
even
go,
a
you
turning
move
lane.
left turn. Get behind this woman.
Why get behind her when we can get in front of her?
The store right there.
Well, where the car wash at?
No, in front of the.
Here, well, you gotta hold the camera then. Here, hold it. I need to switch gears.
Alright. Hey, we made it to the stuff. Here.
Oh, now you like the way it sound.
Nope.
Hey, hold on, before you go in, let me get a cam sound. How do cam sound? Chomp, 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 chomp.
Chomp. What you want out the stove?
Let me get a brisk iced tea. Thank you. Hella compliments. People always showing love. I love this car, man. This thing is sick, bruh. But yeah, that's it. I'm about to wrap this up, call it a day, and basically chill with my pops. I got another ride along later today, so yeah, I'm just about to chill with him right now for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go get ready for phase 2 because we got some clickbait ride along action popping off. Buns. Buns. All right.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a